Hi everyone, thank you for watching my little life. When you go for Japanese and Asian supermarket, do you recognize all the ingredients? Even Japanese food is very popular and large variety is available in a lot of places nowadays. You still come across totally mysterious products. So today I'll show you how I eat them usually. Don't worry, you don't have to have special equipment and many different ingredients. As I live in the UK, I'll cook with stuff you can get in outside of Japan. Today I will introduce this. This is mochi. You may know mochi as something like this. This is mochi as well, but sweet. We usually buy from sweet shop. Mochi means rice cake, or dishes made by super sticky mochi rice. How it's made is steam sticky mochi rice and pound. Then it becomes like a super sticky dough. Then they are shaped into small round or rectangle. When you buy at the shop, it looks like this. It's very hard before you cook. Mochi isn't something Japanese people eat every day, but somehow I eat this here more often as alternative of toast or bread, but healthier version. Traditionally, we grill mochi with charcoal like this. But here, I'm going to introduce my family version as it's easier and nicer. Put a little oil in the pan. You can add sesame oil to give extra flavor if you like. Fry around 5 minutes. You need to turn over regularly, and please be careful, it gets really sticky and stick on the pan. Also burn easily. Now it's getting almost there. That's it. Crispy outside, sticky and soft inside. This is the right texture. How does this taste? It tastes like rice, or rice cracker just freshly made. So adding some toppings is fun and important. Most common way of eating is dip into the soy sauce and wrap with nori seaweed around it. But my personal favorite isn't Japanese. I usually eat with avocado, with bit of pepper, cheese and walnuts, spring onion, anchovy and ginger. Also add soy sauce. While you can add anything, mochi has almost no taste. It is very easy to cook, quick, tasty, and it can fill your tummy easily. You can also fry without oil like this. It's also nice, crispy, and not greasy at all, and traditional. But it takes slightly longer to cook. It says keep in the fridge once you open, and you should eat them in 2 weeks. You can freeze it, then just defrost a little before you cook. Actually, you can make a pizza version of mochi as well. Add pasta sauce or tomato-based sauce on the mochi and grinded cheese. Then put into the oven 5 to 10 minutes till mochi gets soft. Because mochi gets so sticky, I recommend you to use cooking seed or tin foil. Thank you very much for watching till the end. I hope you enjoyed it and interested in mochi much more. If you liked this video, please check my other video about Japanese food and subscribe my channel. Also, comment question about mochi on below. See you next time and have a good day.